showing you how to make beaded lizards. So what you'll need is some pony beads. Mine are from Walmart. They're usually $1 to $2 for a whole bunch of them. And you'll need some string and scissors. So you're going to start by choosing the colors you want. I'm going to do mine yellow and green. As you can see, I'm laying out the pattern for my lizard. So I'll tell you the number of beads you'll need in just a second. So I have approximately 34 beads, and as you can see, I have the belly, different colors. I'm having a pattern on it, and then I have black for the eyes. You can do whatever color you want, whatever color eyes, anything. And note that these dragons are small, and if you want to, you can adapt the pattern to make them bigger. So to start, you're going to take approximately 2 times your elbow to your hand length of string and cut it. I'm using a red, even though that doesn't match it very well. It's just so it's easier for you to see. So you're going to want to bring your ends of your string together like so, and then put the top 3 ones from the nose onto the string. Here we go, and make sure you have the ends put together. So now you're going to want to lay this on the table. Here we go. Now you're going to take the end from the right, and we're just going to place 2 of the beads ahead of the other one like this, and then thread this through these 2 beads. Here we go. Now we're going to pull it tight and make sure our ends are still even together. There we go. Now you're going to take the next 3 beads from the eye space, so the black one and the spaces, and you're going to thread your right one through it. And then once you do that, you gotta thread the left string through it. This activity is very easy, very basic and fun, and it's great for all ages. I'd say the hardest part is threading it through the paws, but that is still super easy. So now you're just going to pull it tight. Perfect. Okay, so for the paws, you're going to take your 4 beads and then thread them on to your right one. Instead of doing what we normally do, we are going to take the first one and go through it again. So now there's a loop right here, and pull it tight. And as you can see, that kind of makes a paw. So now you're going to do that with your other one. There we go. Okay, so now we're just going to do like what we were doing before, and take the next 3, the belly pieces, these ones, and just do what we've been doing before. You may be noticing that your string is getting a little bit frayed at the end. Just get it a little bit wet with some water, and then it should be good. So you're going to continue on doing this until you're at the next feet part. Okay, so now you're this far. So now we're going to make the paws again, just like we did before, adding 4 on, and then going back through the first loop. Another thing that might make your lizard really cute is if you use glow-in-the-dark beads, so it's even more fun for at night. Okay, so now that we are done the paws, time to do the tail. The tail is pretty simple. You just take whatever color beads you want for it. I'm going to do mine pattern. So you're just going to take one bead, thread it through, and then thread it through the other one, and pull. There we go. Now we are going to just do a couple more of those, and then we'll be done. Okay, here we are. You can make your tail as long or short as you want. This is good enough for me. So now we are just going to do 2 knots and pull it tight because you don't want it coming loose. And then you're done. Perfect. Now you just got to cut off the remainder and you're done. These are so cute, easy, and simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what colors you did with yours in the comments below. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.